The Royal Connaught Boat Club of Pune was setting the stage for an epic sports meet. And guess what? We at Orchid Digitals were selected to add a splash of color and excitement to the event. We were commissioned to create flags that displayed the logos of each of the 6 different teams. And we dove right into the challenge. Each flag was crafted from a thin, airy cloth material, lightweight and perfect for catching the breeze. The artwork for these custom printed flags was reproduced using our state-of-the-art wide format inkjet printer. We even stitched a handy pocket on the side of each flag, which allowed for the insertion of a hoisting rope. And the end result? Ultra vibrant, attention-grabbing flags that are as lightweight as a feather, fluttering and billowing in the wind.